Matutong magtiwala sa team. Luto ni Sid, yan ang sikreto. That's what regular customers would always say. Sid and his wife run a popular ihaw-ihaw business that grew from a small sidewalk grill into a busy sit-down spot with multiple grills and staff helping during peak hours. Kaya from the outside, mukhang successful naman ang negosyo. Maraming customers, mabilis maubos ang paninda, paulit-ulit na bumabalik ang mga tao. Pero behind that success, one thing never changed. Si Sid pa rin ang laging hinahanap ng customers. Kapag siya ang nag-iihaw, walang reklamo. Pero kapag wala siya, kahit isang gabi lang, may mga customer agad na nagtatanong, nandoon ba si Sid ngayon? At first, proud si Sid doon, no? Parang patunay yon na magaling talaga siya. Pero slowly, napansin niya rin ang problema. Hindi siya makapagpahinga ng maayos. Hindi rin siya makapagbukas ng second branch na matagal na niyang gustong gawin. Because even with a team, Sid still struggled to trust them to carry the same standard kung wala siya doon. Kaya ang ending, lahat pa rin bumabalik sa kanya. Na one evening habang naglilinis siya ng grill, pagkatapos ng isang mahabang araw, napaisip siya. Negosyo pa ba ito o trabaho na hindi ko pwedeng iwan? Doon niya na-realize na hindi sapat na siya lang ang kayang pagkatiwalaan. Kaya anak, the lesson here is this. If you want the business to grow beyond you, the team must also learn how to carry the trust and standard of the business, even when you're not there. Anak, if you noticed carefully, none of these business owners were lazy or careless, diba? In fact, they were working very hard. But slowly, they realized the same thing. Having a team is not enough if the standards, the systems, and the authorities still live only with the owner. Kapag ikaw lang ang may alam ng tamang paraan, ikaw pa rin ang kailangang sumalo sa lahat. Kaya maraming business owners ang napapaisip, parang mas mabilis pa kung ako na lang. Hindi dahil walang kakayahan ng team, kundi dahil hanggang ngayon, nasa owner pa rin ang standards at decision-making ng negosyo. That is what the masipag stage looks like. Totoo ang sipag, totoo ang pagod, pero kahit na may team ka na, parang umiikot pa rin sa parehong cycle. That's why the next step is becoming marunong. Marunong begins when you stop asking, bakit hindi kaya ng team ko? Huwag nyo nang itanong yan. Instead, start asking, ano ba talaga ang kulang sa sistema ng negosyo ko? From there comes maayos, where systems and structure become clear enough for the business to continue moving even without you holding everything together. And of course, eventually, darating ka na sa malaya. It means that the business finally stops needing all of your time and energy just to keep growing. So if you've been in business for 3 years or more and the business still cannot move without you, book a free clarity call with my team. The link is in the comment section. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team, pero gusto ng may structure, accountability, at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now anak ha! The link is in the comment section.